So, are you a fresher looking out for job? This video is specifically for you. For professionals, you can check out, but this particular AI tool is specifically designed for freshers when they are looking out for their job journey because they are 90% of the time confused. They are really not aware about what type, how to make the resume and what how the resume works for them and what they need to have those particular elements. I'll show you this tool, pretty interesting tool. Uh, So over here, Resumestar. So it is AI-driven resume builder. Created a impactful and beautiful resumes. So it has resume builder and matcher. Now as I scroll down, it says resume builder for job seekers, and then it says resume pass engine for recruiters. So it has two particular areas and services. One area is for recruiters, where they are stuck with so many amount of resume and how to sort this particular resume is when Resumestar helps them, and this particular thing is for job seekers. So I say enter, and it says connect with your Google account. So let us connect with our Google account. I'm connecting. Okay, just 2 3 1, we have connected to our Google account. Let's see where it takes us now. Hmm. Okay, this is the dashboard. I hope you can see my dashboard. So dashboard, profile completeness, my profile, resume matcher. So let's see what is resume matcher. Sign in again. I don't know why it is asking me to sign in again and again. Let's sign in and say. So either some issue, because I thought I will take you through the steps. A lot of times when it's a paid tool, they really don't allow you a lot of functions in the second attempt. So let's see dashboard, what it gives my profile. Something went wrong. I guess it's not working the way it should be working. So we have come to the dashboard, my profile, and you have resume templates. There is some stuck up, say resume matcher, upload of photos, and then you have resume templates. It again knocks it off. So let's see what. So video, even the video is not able, is not playing. Power hundred benefits of resume builder standard design for IT jobs. So it is mostly designed for IT jobs. I guess this is an Indian company that had built it, but there is some stuck up at their end. They are not able to move it. So 100,000 startups design for IT jobs. Our AI creates clutter-free modern one-page resume to help you land IT job. Create with beautiful. Share your resume easily with anyone using QR code. Although it looks a bit promising, but I really doubt it is helpful. I really don't suggest any fresher also any professional to go on resume builder, resume start to use this particular application because it just gets stuck up and the UI is it's like age old UI. If we saw over here by entry, we just entered over here to the dashboard section and it just keeps on loading, endless loading. Mm, Sorry for the people who are watching my video right now, but I'm going to end it because one of the most pathetic tools that I've come across. Let's see whether the founder is able. We are able to connect with the founder team, and they can help us out to understand how to enter and to give a deep dive the steps about how they any IT professional who's a fresher can use this particular Resume Star application. Bye for now. I'll join you in the next video. I am really going to work to help you out to get those 20 interview calls in the next 60 days that will land you in a job. Bye.